Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Got a new car. I'm going to show you an unboxing of it. Haven't had a Nitro in a while, so I figured I'd give me a Nitro Slash. Got a cool little project I think I'm going to do with it. So stay tuned. So it comes with some good stuff. You got your jump starter and battery, because this thing has easy start. So you just charge your battery, you plug this in here with gas and push the button and it'll turn the motor over. Yeah, your battery for that. The charger, it's a car charger, which is kind of dumb, but I mean, I guess if you're out bashing and that's the only battery you have, that and gas, and you're good, so it might come in handy. Extra glow plug, some body protectors, extra clips, your typical toolkit, and some air filter oil. It says after, I forget, every run or something, you're supposed to clean this filter. And then your typical, your stickers, your manual, your blown apart diagrams, all that good stuff, and some shock things. So yeah, and of course, like I said, your full fuel tank, which this ought to probably fill that twice. So if you're going out bashing, fill this up once, fill this full, and you could have a couple good runs in. Well, all right, I think the next thing to do is start this thing up. Alright, well, other than the weather, just got done raining a little while ago, so it's dried up enough to where I'm going to give it a run. I've been messing with this thing all morning. Couldn't find out the head bolts were loose in the motor, so it wasn't getting compression, so it just wouldn't start. I couldn't get it to start. I tried for like an hour yesterday and almost just pretty much gave up. But I got it running, so I'm going to get it started up and give it a run here. Start the break-in process. Oh. Alright, so I ran my first tank. Did pretty well. I adjusted this high speed a little bit, just so I can get more smoke out of it for now. I'll readjust it later because I like the top end. But I'm gonna keep doing this for like another 5 tanks, and then we'll open it up after that. Okay, well, so I'm on tank 3. It says to run it with body on, about half throttle, so I'll drive around the yard a little. Tank number 5, gonna do some full speed rips now. Well, figured I'd stop after work and give this Nitro a run. There's a big empty street here. It's way too muddy. It rained today a lot, so it's way too muddy to get it out there in the dirt like I really wanted to, but so yeah, I'm gonna fire it up. Check all my servos. Good to go. Almost killed it. Curb came up fast. Pretty awesome. Tires are a little wet, kind of sliding everywhere.